Okay, hebu tufanye uchambuzi kidogo wa EURUSD. Maana EURUSD tunamalizia mwezi kama unafahamu. Leo ni tarehe 30 Aprili. So tuangalie EURUSD ilifanya nini kuanzia mwanzo wa huu mwezi, and then tutajua what's going to happen next month. Okay, so tunaona hapa wiki ya kwanza, wiki ya pili euro ilipanda. This is the hii ni wiki ya mwisho ya mwezi mwezi Machi. I think hii ni wiki ya mwisho, kwa sababu kwenye hii wiki kuna tarehe ambazo ziko kwenye mwezi Machi na kuna tarehe ambazo ziko kwenye mwezi Aprili. Okay, so tunasema hii ni last week of the last month. So tunaona katika huu mwezi wa Aprili tunaona EURUSD imekuwa kwenye bullish momentum. You see, this is the bullish momentum for the past 3 consecutive weeks, and then from here tumeanza to experience the downfall to the downwards, and then price imefika right here. Okay, so what does it tell us as traders tunapojiandaa na mwezi unaofuata? So as you see here, kuna hili eneo, this place here. Okay, let me brush. Well, this place here, and this place here, and this place here. Okay, hii ni second week na hii ni third week. Okay, so kama tunavyosema kwamba price ina move kwa kufuata liquidity, and we don't see any liquidity from last week. From last 2 weeks we don't see liquidity. Naona liquidity inapatikana kwenye the first week of the month of April. So in this case, this is me personally, I think kwa sababu price ina move kufuata liquidity, and there's no liquidity down here or down here for the past 2 weeks. I think maybe liquidity, maybe price inaweza ikafuata liquidity on the top right here, sababu kama unavyoona third week low tayari imeshakuwa broken hapa, lakini bado haijawa touched on the upside. So mimi, this is my personal thinking now kwamba maybe next month ambayo ni month of May, maybe we are going to experience something like we did experience on March, on April. Like, you know, I think price may do something like this somewhere here. It may reverse to go up again for the next month. So I don't know. Okay, price inaweza ikaamua ku come down here because hii sio kwamba ni sheria kwamba ni lazima price kama hamna liquidity down here kwamba ni lazima come down here. But for what I see, na price kugoma kushuka chini ya hii level in these 2 weeks, and then ikaja hapo take liquidity back in, I think we are going to have a bullish momentum in the whole next month. That's my own opinion. What do you say? Okay, because we as a trader tunatakiwa tunashare mawazo. So mimi nimeshare mawazo yangu right here kwamba maybe next month, the next month of May, we are going to have a bullish month again, because right here maybe this is a reversal happening here. So mimi nimebuy hii and I get that like 1 to 5 because I know what I'm doing. Okay, that's why I buy. Even if you lose this money, it's not a problem at all. But always, trend is your friend. Don't trade against the trend. And right here, the trend from this week to this week, trend is bearish. You know, it's creating high and higher low, high and higher low, high and higher low, higher low, higher low. Now price is here. So that's why I'm saying in forex, all you can do is waiting patiently. Okay, so I want to wait to see what price will do, what action will happen here for me to decide whether I'm going up or down. And when I say that, I mean at this place here, I want to see one of these two things. Okay, I want to see one of these two things. Either price come here and get up, and I want to see price maybe come again in this area here, okay, and get up again. So if price will retest this area again and move up, so hii itakuwa ni confirmation. This will be a confirmation kwamba we are moving up. But if by any chance price does something like this, maybe because there is a fair value gap up here, so price may come to this fair value gap here, and then it may decide to reverse like this. If this happen, if reaction like this happen also, if something like this happen, I will not stress myself. I will just find a place to go down, because I know this is a confirmation that we are going down. Okay, we are going down. So guys, this is it. Up until now, I don't know yet where the market will go, because I'm not in control here. The market is in control. But what I did, I just guessed, okay, due to previous weeks price action, I just guessed that maybe we are going up. Okay. So what do you say? What do you say? The month of May, what do you say? Are we going up or are we going down? So if you have any opinion, or can say something, or you think it's going down, just tell me in the comment section. And then, because the month has just ended, so we will see for ourselves next month where the price will go. If the price will go up in the next month, so I will be right. Okay, I will be right. If the price will go down, then I'll be wrong. So if the price come to this place here, so if price does this magical things right here and broke again this level here, and retest this level, I will find a chance to go down. Okay, I'll find a chance to sell. Okay, and I will sell to this area here, which is the I will sell to this area here. I will sell to this area here, which is the first week of the month of April. So if it's coming down, I'm sure it's coming down to this level here. But if it's going up, I don't know where it's going up. So let's wait and see. My name is Masterplan. See you on the next analysis. This was a EURUSD high time frame analysis. See you later.